Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am sharing our last part of our garage makeover project that we started back on spring break, but we finished the beginning of my husband's summer vacation. So without further ado, let me show you what that last part of the makeover looks like. So the back wall of this garage had never been painted. So one of the first things we had to do was fill in all of the holes and little cracks in the plaster. And then one of the other things we had to do was reframe the door into our laundry room area that is the way we get into the house. So I'm just showing you all of the little patches that we did. We also took down some light fixtures that we had recently put up to replace some other ones. And here's a little closer look at all the patching that we needed to do with some drywall compound. When you do this, you want to make sure to patch it and then feather out the edges before you paint over it. And we were going to be using some Kills primer to paint over all of this, and that works really well. And here I'm showing you a look at the door. We're also going to be painting the door, and this already has the new frame around the door. Before, it just had that inner kind of off-white colored, and then it was all cracked around the edges. So this is going to look a lot nicer. And then just this one more look at the door before it's been painted. So this would probably be easier to see if the cars were not in the garage, but here is the finished back wall of our garage. It's been painted a bright white color, and we've consolidated our paint cabinet and this extra shelf that we didn't use along the side, and our freezer here. Then I have my recycling bags for cans and bottles hanging off the side of my freezer. And then we have these new light fixtures that we put in a while ago. I'll show you those in a picture. And then we have painted the garage doors that lead into the house and out the back door, out into the backyard, this charcoal gray color. And the reason I decided to do that is that my husband works on his mountain bike and his hands get greasy and dirty, and there's no sink out here in the garage. So this way, if any of that gets on to the door, it won't show very well. Not that we won't clean it off, but it just will look a lot nicer to have it blend in a little bit more and not be so noticeable. And then the same thing on this other side with our door out to our yard, painted it charcoal gray, although we left the trim, it's a little hard to see in this light, a white color. And then the outside, we painted the accent color that we have on the shutters on the front of our house, which is kind of a brick red color. I didn't want it the gray because that wouldn't match the outside of the house, but I did want it a darker color so it too wouldn't show the dirt as much as a white door. So that's it for our painting part of our garage project. The last thing I want to do is get some cleaner for our flooring because it's kind of dirty in some spots. And I think there's a special cleaner for this race deck type of tiling that we have installed in the garage. So if it works, I will share that in a separate video. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some ideas for maybe organizing and making over your own garage. And as I mentioned in the last clip, I will be trying to clean that floor a little bit at some point in the future. So if you'd like to see that, leave me a comment down below. And also, let me know if you're planning on doing any kind of makeover on your garage. That's it for now. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.